What's up, everybody? Welcome to or welcome back to the That Unhinged YouTube channel. Guys, have you ever wondered about this battery operated heated winter gear, if it really works or not? Well, if so, today's your lucky day. Guys, I woke up this morning, went out to start my Jeep to warm it up, and had a flat tire. It's 14 degrees here today, feels like 3 Fahrenheit. And this is what it's doing outside. Luckily, my mom was able to follow me to the tire place and drop it off, but she had to go to work. So, I'm stuck walking. Lucky for me, guys, hopefully lucky for me, I've got these battery operated socks, gloves, and vest. But wanting to see how effective these really are, so I figure this is pretty much the best time to do it. I'll leave a link in the description to all three. I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm gonna get my gear on, and then we can get to hiking. All right, guys, I'm all geared up and ready to roll. I don't know if I mentioned this, guys, but the tire place is 2 miles away. So we're in for a little bit of a walk. So let's get going. And we're off. Guys, I got my heavy winter hat on, got my balaclava on. Don't want my face to freeze. But it's snowing pretty intensely. I got all my gear, my gloves, my vest, my socks on. I got them all on medium. I'm gonna try that out first, and then see how effective that is. You know, we can always bump it up if we need to. But we got a long walk ahead of us, guys. So I'm gonna get to stepping. All right, guys. Walked a few blocks. I'm good. Did have to bump my socks up one more notch, though. You know, I could have worn my muck boots or my Mickey Mouse boots, but why? I wanted to test these socks and see how effective they'd be. So we probably walked 4 blocks so far. So gonna keep on trucking. All right, guys, not too much further and we'll be about halfway there. I actually had to turn my vest down to low because I'm starting to sweat, so that's a good thing. A lot of times though, I wear this vest and I don't even have to turn it on because it maintains the heat pretty well. But all right, guys, gonna keep it moving and I'll check in a little while. As I don't know if the camera's really picking up the gravity of how hard it's actually snowing, but it's dumping. I am nice and warm. All right, guys, kind of hit a crossroads here. Now, I have the option to either cut through the cemetery or walk about a quarter of a mile down there and go all the way around. Mama didn't raise no dummy. you guys know what I'm gonna do. Just cutting on through. Just to shave a little bit of time off of our walk. Yeah. But guys, I'm telling you right now, like I said, I didn't want to pronounce the name of like the socks. The vest is Venustus, I think, but I'll put the link to the description in all three. But I'm telling you right now, guys, I probably walked a mile and I'm toasty warm. The only thing a little bit cold is my face, but if I want to, I'll pull my balaclava up, but I don't even feel the need to do that. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna get across the cemetery. I'll see you guys on the other side. All right, guys, had my balaclava on for a minute, so left eye's a little fogged up, but coming out on the other side, looks like I might have to jump this fence. Made it over that. Guys, I'm still not cold at all. So, if you've ever been interested in this battery operated heated gear, but you just weren't sure how effective it was, I mean, I have no complaints right now. Look at this. The gear that I have seems to be pretty effective. Walked over a mile already. Coming up on the final stretch, it looks like. Gotta turn left up here, walk straight down, hang a right, walk across a couple of parking lots. That's about it, I think. Walking right into the snow, so my glasses are covered. So I'm gonna wipe them off, guys. I'll see y'all in a few. Couple more blocks, guys, and we'll be ready to take our right turn. And then we got a little walk after that, but shoot, man, we're pretty much there after that. Other than having to turn my socks up one notch, my feet are toasty warm now. And I have been walking through some deep snow. I ain't got no complaints, guys. All right, guys. Almost there. Almost there. But if you're new to the channel, this is the first video you've seen, go check out the That Unhinged YouTube channel. I got a lot of different videos on there. And if you like what you see, like, subscribe, share if you want to. Turn on your notifications so you can see when I post a new video. Thank you everybody who has interacted. Thank you to my subscribers so far. Yeah. Well, we made it, guys. What's a yay, but it wasn't a bad walk. I would totally recommend all three of these things. Nothing is cold on me at all. So there she is. Oh yeah, that's a nice tire. All right, guys, I'm gonna go in here and pay for this. Thanks for going on this little adventure with me. If you like what you've seen here, like, subscribe, share if you want to. If you have, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much. see you guys on the next one. No matter where you go in life, don't forget where you came from.